What's up, all you out there in YouTube space? Welcome back. Today we're gonna be opening up a whole display of Legendary Duelist Season 3. Alright guys, we're gonna open up the first of 8 boxes, I think there are. Sit back, grab your coffee, or grab your popcorn or whatever you like to chill and watch my videos with, and hit that like and subscribe button, and settle all your bank account money, and let's get to it. Settle in. I don't even know exactly what's in this box, but it says choking hazard, so I think there's a dice in here. Oh yeah, there is a dice. Look at that right there. Wow. Oh, it's upside down. It's upside down. All right. Oh, let me zoom in for you guys. Jeez. Like, we're not gonna be able to see anything. All right. First pack. What am I gonna get? I don't know, but there's a lot of cards in this pack. Jeez, man, look at that thing. That thing thicker than them all. Yeah, pack thick than them all. 2 C's in that pack, boy. Okay, I'm tripping. Let me chill out. Evil hero, malicious fiend. Actually, don't know how this is gonna go, but there's no way I'm calling out all these card names. We're just gonna wait till we get to the whatever rarity card is in here. Oh, looks like it's soon. Doom Caliber Knight, great card. I should go pick one up, actually. Oh, here we go. Number C40, Gimmick Puppet of Dark Strings, red printed, I guess naming. Okay, lettering, red lettering. That's what I was trying to say. Jeez Louise, that is nice. I like that a lot. Is that it? Is there anything else in here? Because there's not. You know me, guys. I don't care about no comments. Y'all probably don't care about no comments either. That's. Oh, there it is. Whoa, never mind. Take it back. I take it back. Look at that. Dark Necrofear. Now, Dark Necrofear and there's another one, and I think it's a secret rare. But Dark Necrofear is like one of my favoriteest Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Like, I just like the art. Like, it's just a great card. How's the centering? Centering is not too bad. Not too bad, actually. Not too bad. All right, guys. Next pack is just pack 2. Wow. Like I said, hope you got your popcorn. We're gonna be here in a minute. Okay, so pretty bad. Okay, cool gimmick. Yeah. Oh, darn it. I did it. Oops. Nope. Don't want to get no copyrights, but yes, I did it again. Also, this text is blue, but this is a beautiful card. Chaos Command Magician. I don't think I've ever seen this card. Also, the blue lettering. Ridiculous. Wow, this is a ridiculous set. I can already see it. This is going to be a ridiculous set. Alright, trying to pull them carefully. So it's because the. Yeah. I just got to keep rearranging. Maybe I should just change my method here. See more. Yeah. Maybe like that. I don't know. It's just hard to grab one card at a time. Oh! Ebon Illusion Magician. Boy, that Ebon be messing me up, Master Duel. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at that art, guys. This is beautiful. I would recommend you guys go pick up this display, man. It's crazy. Ebon High Magician. Okay. Oh! Well, let's do an official reveal, guys. Official reveal. Oh! Magician's Soul. I think this card is like $20 right now or something like that. That's ridiculous. Alright guys, here's our next dice. Look at that bad boy. It's got Neos on there. Pretty sure that's Neos. He packs his dummy, stupid thing. Let me stop. Let me get out of this camera, bro. Yeah, I'm tripping, bro. Oh, we got a gimmick puppet. The gimmicks. What era was gimmicks good? I don't know. Doom Caliber Knight. I need this card in like Ultra or Super or Secret or some foil, basically. I need this card in a foil. For sure. And yeah. Oh! Sangan red letters. Red font print Ultra Sangan. Sangan. Iconic. Iconic card. That Sangan is wild. All right, let's keep on pushing here. I know I'm gonna pull 3 eventually. Plant. And Junk Converter. I didn't even know Junk Converter was in here, but he's an Ultra and he's in blue font text. Well, blue text. Nice. And we got one more, I believe. We have one more. Oh, and there he is. Evil Hero, Sinister Necrone. Guys, got yourself some extra money. Go out and get you one of these displays. It is not disappointing. I wanted to go back through like every one of them, like Legendary Duelist season 1 and 2, but they're pretty pricey. Pretty pricey, even compared to this. What is this guy's name? Dwarf Glove. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Dwarf. Go glove. Where I mean, I have a better name, but he's got glove in his stuff. Maybe I should change my no, we're not gonna do that. Earthbound. Oh, Preda Practice. That's an Ultra. That is sick. Sickening how good these cards are. Yeah. Oh, that's just a moon dragon, but he's normal. He common print. Earthbound Immortal and oh, we got another Junk Converter, but he's gold lettering. I think that's gold. Is that it? I think there's one more. Elemental Hero Honest Neos. Alright guys, here's our next lovely dice. We got the Dark Magician himself. Earthbound Immortal. When were Earthbound Immortals good? Remember. Probably when I was playing, which was a decade ago. Wow. Quick Draw Synchron. Yes, sir. That's a heater. Oh, that's a great card. Neospatian. Elemental Hero. And yeah. Nope, nothing. Okay. Alright. Junk Converter again. Now we got a playset of Junk Converter. almost all in the right lettering color. We have another elemental hero, Neos, except he's blue lettering this time. And that's it for that. On to the next pack. I'm really hoping to pull at least another, what was that, $20 card? Like level 1 magician of something or other. Really hoping to pull another one of those. Evil Mind. Oh, we got another Performer Pal, Celestial Magician. Not getting too much variety right now, though. Cards are great. It's just not enough variety. I feel like us as, well, me as a collector and all kind of Yu-Gi-Oh fans, we just kind of find something wrong with any set. But I ain't gonna lie to you, some of these sets be real dookie. Elemental Hero Inferno Weed. Alright, guys. Next dice we got, I don't know, who is this? Oh, who? Leave a comment if you know who this is. First pack. First pack magic, right in the last pack magic. Pendulum, okay. Oh, let's see. Probably don't want to do that. Ga. Goo gaga. Oh, tuning. Finally, some variety, and it's kind of poorly cut, but that's okay. It's a tuning. I like it. And yeah. Oh no, that's just common. Oh, we got another Dark Necro Fear. Nice. I need a whole playset, so I need to pull one more Dark Necro Fear. We got another Elemental Hero, Honest Neos. He's been pulled in spades. Alright, commons. Next pack. Give me another Necro Fear. I want it. Elemental Hero, Malicious Fiend. Oh. Magician's Combination. Nice. And yeah. Nope, that was a comment. And behind here. Hiya. There's another comment. Alright. I don't know where anything is. Oh. Dark Magical Circle. That's beautifully cut. Alright, not too bad. Scenery, not too bad at all. We love it. Straight in the binder. Fire Ant. He's poorly cut. Oh no, the Elemental Hero. Evil Hero, Lightning Golem. That's the first pull of Lightning Golem, I'm pretty sure. We got another orange guy. I don't know who this is. Wait. Oh. I know who this is. This is Junk Synchron. Okay. I got it now. I was like, I don't know who that is. I had it upside down. It took me a minute. I have not stared at the top of Junk Synchron's head at all. Performer Pal. The Performer Pal. Elemental Hero, Honest Neos, gold lettering. That's a dub. And we got another Dark Necro Fear. That would be awesome. Let's see. We have Evil Hero Inferno Wing. It's okay, we got one more chance to get her. And we pulled another Elemental Hero Neos. Nice Neos. All letterings, all fonts, all text. It's like, you know what you were missing in your already robust portfolio of Neoses? Another Neos. A magician's combination. Nice. Got some Predaplat stuff in here. Necro face. And if I can pull the one card. Okay, he's a common. That's fine. Ascator? Ascator Dawnwalker. Okay. Alright. Took my brain to put all the letters. Took my brain a while to put the letters together, but we finally did it. Elemental Hero Sinister Necrome again. Alright, we got not a repeat dice. This is a black dice. It's the Magician Circle dice here. So that guy out of the way. I may do something I don't normally do, guys, and that's gonna be speed through these last couple big giant packs here. Speed it up, see what we got. So we got Escator, Dawnwalker right there. We got a Dawnwalker. We got, oh, nice, Necrofear. That's a playset. Not all the same lettering color, but, and then we got Gurnia. It's all just comments. Boom. Don't want this video to be too long. I'm gonna give you guys the meat and potatoes. We got, oh, Earthbound Immortal. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got Apprentice Illusion Magician. I think I may have already pulled her, or maybe not, actually. And we now have another Elemental Hero, Lightning Golem. Alright, cool. Alright, here's our next dice right here. Purple. Don't know who's on this. Oh, it's another Dark Magician dice. So there you go. Let's see what we got in here. We got, oh, Dark Magical Circle. That's a dub. It's a heater. Evil Hero Infernal Prodigy. Okay. Oh, we got a Magician of Chaos. Nice. That's crazy good right there. Like I said, guys, just get you a box, get you a couple boxes, get you a whole display. It's great. A great value, it seems, in this set. Oh, do I got another? I got another Sangan. Nice. Did I miss? No, that's a common. We got another Sangan. We love it. Still. Oh, I think we got a play set of her now. And oh, Satellite Warrior. Nice. All right, that's it. Last box. Got another Neos dice. Let's see here. What do we got here? Oh, we got ourselves another tuning. It's 2 tunings. That one's cut about the same, really. And oh, another Apprentice Illusion Magician. We love to see her, and a Satellite Warrior again. Perfect. I don't think there's a card in here that I haven't liked, like an Ultra. Oh, that way. Earthbound Immortal. We got, what do we got next here? We have, oh, Ebon Illusion Magician. We got 2 of him now, pretty sure. And we got Gurnia. Alright, that's it. Now it's time for the moment you've all been waiting for. The promos. Just gonna start with the one I picked up. I do not really like these like 1 sealed pack promos because like it's just, you got to be so darn careful with them. Yeet. And yeah, Mystic Elf White Lightning. What? I ain't never seen this card day in my life before. Mystic Elf White Lightning. Hey, yo! Mystic Elf done leveled it up. Alright. Yeah. Soul Servant. Nice. Kind of shabbily cut, but Soul Servant. Nice. Going in the binder for sure. You know, I love me some secrets. Oh, we got another Mystic Elf. White Lightning. Nice. Alright. Oh, I was supposed to do that. Okay, we'll edit it out. Hopefully, if I remember. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh! The Dark Magicians. Nice. I think it's the best promo in this set. Alright, let's not spoil it for me or the audience this time. And yeah. What's this? Focus up. You can do it. Elemental Hero Liquid Soldier. Okay. Nice. And of course it's all out of janky, out of focus here. Alright, we have... Oh! Another The Dark Magicians. Nice. That's 2 of those. Can we pull a whole playset? That would be sick. Sick. Kaiser Glitter Golden Burst. Okay. Nice. Still a little bit shabbily cut, but oh well. You know what I've been thinking about, guys? I've really been thinking about like making my own TCG, but like for like more so for like collectors though. Like I don't even care if it I think I would have to give it like rules to a game and people could play it. But I more so want it to be for like high-end collector trading card quality. Every card quality is ridiculously good. Maybe I'll do that one day. Elemental Hero Liquid Soldier again. Okay, that was our last promo. Alright guys, here's our main haul, which is a crazy big haul. Yeah, this is a great set. So if you guys got a little extra change, go pick you up a couple boxes. Or go pick you up a display. I don't think you'll be disappointed. It's a great opening. Alright guys, with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Peace!